We're at Watershed, a 180,000 square foot commercial mixed-use office building, 9 stories located on the gateway to Denver, Brighton Boulevard. I'm Dean Koelbel, Director of Leasing and Development for Koelbel & Company. 4 words I would use to describe this project are inspiring, that's physical and philosophical. We want people to really feel different as they walk into the building. Progressive, foster and imaginative possibilities. And so professional, Watershed provides a more sophisticated, mature feel than you typically see in RiNo. Moment, this is a pivotal point in the transition of the neighborhood. RiNo has definitely elevated over the past 3 or 4 years, and we feel it is at the turning point where you're going to start seeing a lot more sophisticated and higher dense developments. So some features that we've included in Watershed are private outdoor terraces, very similar to what we did at the Catalyst building. We found tenants looking at Catalyst wanted to have that as private outdoor space. So we will be having over 10,000 square feet of private outdoor space for our tenants. And another unique attribute we have is a private entrance lobby for the anchor tenant. So anyone coming to visit the anchor tenant will have a private entrance and be welcomed by that tenant on the ground floor. Community. We have taken pride in building communities throughout the state of Colorado, also enhancing the way Coloradans work, live, and play. The biggest successes of Watershed thus far, I think, is the architecture and the team we've assembled. We have hired Gensler, who is an unbelievable architect, and they've designed a building in a way that we think will curate the right tenants we're looking for, very tech-heavy prospects, and they're understanding what those tenants need. As well as J.E. Dunn, our general contractor. They've been phenomenal through the process thus far, and we think this building is going to be unbelievable. Watershed will be connected via Skybridge to Catalyst, our existing 180,000 square foot commercial office building, and all the amenities that including a 400-person event center, co-working floor, boardroom, living room, terraces, and the like. The surprising fact about Watershed is we really wanted to orient the building towards the South Platte River and use the views of the mountains. Currently at Catalyst, we're standing 7 floors up. This Watershed will be 9 floors, and all those floors will have views oriented toward the southwest to get great visibility of the mountains, the river, and when you get over Catalyst, you will see views of downtown Denver.